Hi and welcome YouTube. Just a quick update. I'm trying to figure out why my two 1-inch overflows have stopped working. I just did some sump maintenance and added some new polyester fiber. This stuff, because the other stuff was pretty bad. My pump is pretty low, so I have it shut off right now. The water is gaining. I'm going to see if I can't auto start it with using the actual pump itself to get the overflows working again, but I can't guarantee anything. So if you have any comments, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I truly appreciate it. I'll try and make this a quick, short, brief video and then show that I got things fixed. So let me get to it. That's better. So you can see under my sump right here. Sorry, the light's pretty bright. I don't know how well you see it if I shut that light off. Not really well at all. Maybe I can listen. Much better. No glare on the tank. Looks a little bit better. So on this, like I said, I'm trying to figure out why my overflow stopped working. So let me get to it. You can't see me, but I know my voice will be picked up, so. Just put that right there. Start this one first. So how I started, I just throw the pump right there. Now that I've let this build up a little bit, I'm gonna throw this on. So, yeah, get that going. See if I can't get more water just out of there. I never got the, I put some filter floss in my overflows, so that's probably why it stopped. So let me shut this off again and let it drain back down in. So let's see. Just need my stuff so I can pull the filter floss out. Just using some tongs that I got. See if I can't pull some of this. Do that, or I forced it so far up and in, it clogged my. Oh. Got from the pump all the way down to the corner. That's why I purposely put a quick disconnect on here. You know, that is clear. Look at all that. I mean, most of that's probably this from the pipe itself getting dirty. I gotta turn on another light. See? Okay. Throw that in there. Get back to reconnecting. Done. Now, you can hear that thing bubbling because I did the same thing on that one too. So this drains. I know there's got to be an easier way. Much better. But I'll have to do that on the other side. This for now, because I don't have issues. This fell out. So put that right there. See how. Holy moly. Time to start draining. Pump the overflow. Alright, gotta do the same thing to the other one. So I was trying to use it as a screen. I don't know if you guys can see that water level. Let me shine it. Yeah, it's starting to drain. That's what happens when your pump can, or your overflow can pump, do more than your pump can. I need another towel. I'm trying to have water on my floor. Just waiting for the water level, which is, if you can't see from there, is right here. Oh, that's too high. It's right here. This is my warning level, or max I want it at, because that gives me about, I think I calculated out about 4 or 5 gallons worth of space before it overflows. As you could see, my pump was pumping quicker than my overflow could go, so yeah. Now I'm just using my Python to top this off a little bit more to really give my overflow a chance to catch up. Alright, that's done. Good, kept the pressure. Alright, so that's one overflow working, like a top. Now the question is whether or not it re-overflows. Yep, it's going to re-overflow. So that means I got to take some of the, stop the water. I want to pump all that excess water back in. Almost to the point that it starts draining it. And this is, people, this is what you do not do. Okay? Oh, alright. That's good. Now with this thing running like a top, that's going to put 600 gallons an hour into my sump. And I'm wondering why my pump that's rated for 1300 can't push that out. Oh, you know why? I'm using 3/4 line. I'm such a goof. I don't want to overflow. I'm using a 3/4 line, an inch line to pump my water in. And I got an inch return. Oh, it's there. Slowly climbing. Alright, I'm going to just reduce the water. Make this simple. Take some of the water out of the sump. Now it's pulling from two different directions. Oh shit. Why is this not sucking water? And I'm going to overflow again. So, this is what not to do. Sorry I haven't been talking a lot. I've been trying to figure this out. I want to drop the water low enough in the tank that there's no way it can overflow in my sump. So I'm using the Python to drain water. Well, I think I'm using the Python to drain water. Bitch. Oh, Jesus Christ. There we go. Trying to keep this at a respectable level. It's going to take 5 gallons right off the top. That's good. Stability is awesome. Beneficial bacteria. Helps keep the tank cycled. All I'm trying to do is drain the excess water without dropping the sump below the sump level. But that's no. Have to clean up a little bit. There we go. No overflows from the top of the tank. Now, boys and girls, this is definitely not what you do. All I'm trying to do is drain it like an inch or two below that line. I mean, my 5-gallon bucket probably has about 2 more gallons worth of space. Let me see. You can see that. I mean, there's some of the old filters I changed out. See that? Oh. Shit. I hate doing this, but get you a top-down view real quick. Before I overflow my tank once again. Oh, that stick out of the way. That just likes to float. Good. Give you a little view of my tank. Any Oscars think they're gonna get fed? So I at least got one of the overflows working. I don't want to get the other one going because it's going to all pump my pump. At one point I could have both overflows open and it won't out pump the pump. Yeah. Move, girl. Move, Molly. Come on. There's one of my Oscars. So, yeah. I think that's about it for today, guys. Let me give you a close-up. Okay. So this is where the pump sits at. I don't know if you can see that black little line right there. But let me zoom out or move out a little bit. There. Looks like the water's slowly creeping up again. I'm just going to watch this for a while, make sure it doesn't do anything crazy. There we go, there's one of my Oscars. So yeah, that's what's going on, guys. Alright, time to finagle all this stuff back in here. So one pump, one overflow is definitely working. And if you're wondering, why am I using that big spot pump? Because I'm curious about the water level. Here we go. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me pull my big chair back over. I got soggy floor syndrome. Oh, I still left this thing going. Wonderful. Alright. And let me know what you think of this video, guys. I truly appreciate you watching. And catch you on the next video. Take it easy. And comment, subscribe below.